Okay, welcome back, people. Hope everybody's doing okay. Reggae Boyz news. Paul Hall and the JFF had their press conference yesterday. Coming out of that press conference, certain points stood out as usual. He is trying to emphasize that the team needs to do better when it comes to game management.
I think what we've got to do is we've got to look at the two games in isolation and see what's happened during those games. And I think with 8 minutes to go, we were in a very good position against Mexico, having taken the lead, and against Panama, taking the lead as well. So I think we've got to put those things into perspective, that our game management hasn't been great. But what we have done is we've gone forward and gone 1-0 up in both games. And we've fought resiliently for most parts of those games. So yeah, it's not a great situation to be in, but we find ourselves in it, and it's told a lot of stories about the players that we've had, the players that we have, and the situation that we find ourselves in now. If you can go 2-1 up, if you can go 1-0 up in both games, and from a winning position find yourself in a losing position, then I think that's down to game management. So we have to address that.
Coach Paul Hall was also asked about the future of the program as it pertains to the younger players and how they would be brought in.
So there's lots of positives, and there's lots of positive young players in and around the group. And we do have to have one eye towards the future with what we're doing. And there's some really positive young men in and around not only this squad, but the squad that I went to Peru with as well.
Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, leave your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and we'll see you next time.